Welcome to my messy desk, friends. I was looking for a couple of videos to see whether or not these little gimbal guards, there's a couple different flavors out there, actually wind up interfering with the Neo field of vision. I never really found any videos with conclusive evidence on this one way or the other. So supposedly this guy from SmartRc, I'll put the link down in the description, is one of the ones that does not interfere with the field of vision of the camera on the Neo. So I'm going to slap it on there. I'll put a little demo at the end to see if it actually shows up in the 4x3 mode, and hopefully it doesn't. We'll go from there. So what you get in the kit, just for reference, is the metal gimbal guard, a screwdriver, and the screws to get into the screws in the back. It's pretty straightforward. There's two screws that come out on this, and this guy goes in there like so, and it gets screwed on and should allow me to continue to be able to easily remove the plastic and protector. So we'll give this a go and go from there. Here's my shop helper. Start one on one side and you start the other one on the other side. Make sure we're not cross-threading anything. That would be no bueno. And you don't want to tighten that too much. You just want to get a little bit of torque on that. That's it. Straightforward. There's a little piece of bump around there. Should be pretty straight. This will help out as I let my younger members of the family start learning to fly a little bit. It gives me a little bit extra peace of mind to make sure they're not going to smash that camera lens. Thankfully, these Neos are pretty durable overall. I know I've crashed mine several times, so hopefully this will help out a little bit further. I'll go ahead and get a sample video at the end to see if this thing shows up in there. If not, and if it does show up in there, I'll make sure to point it out. So be back in a second. It's also worth showing that even with the gimbal guard on there, it fits just nicely inside my little carry case. Pops in and out just fine as well. Kind of like this carry case because it allows me to leave my transmitter on there for when I'm doing commercial work. Also, it's no issue pulling off and on the cover for the Neo as well. So far, no downsides. Hope somebody found this helpful. Have a good day.